All right, we are going to take a look at assignment 2.04, integrating and evaluating sources. So again, click on the blank page to go through the actual lesson. Please make sure that you're doing this. This is only 2 pages. All right, so make sure that you're taking the time and looking. All right, and um, we're going to be looking at, are advertisements aimed at teenagers effective, and are they ethical? All right, and you can click here and see that ethical is morally correct or appropriate. Okay, so are they appropriate for teenagers? Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the details of the assignment. All right, so 2.04. Your first step, use your search for articles and advertisements will revolve around a theme of your choosing. So theme, we're just talking about like a topic here, okay? So select one of the following topics to be the focus of your research. So if you're interested in technology, do that. Sports equipment, do that. Clothing, do that. Food, do that. All right, I would think teenagers would be at least interested in at least one of those categories. All right. So you're just going to choose one of those topics. All right. Again, you're going to look for articles and advertisements that revolve around one of those themes, one of those topics. Okay. So step 2, you're going to search for the articles online and you're going to answer, are advertisements aimed at teens effective? Meaning, does it want you to buy that product? Okay, is it persuasive? Are there things in that ad that's appealing to people your age? All right, and then are they ethical? Okay, and again, you ethical is defined for you. All right, but is it morally right? Okay. Step 3. As you locate the information, record your researched articles using Research Graphic Organizer Part 1 and record your researched advertisements using Research Graphic Organizer Part 2. Okay, so for your articles, those are going in Part 1 and advertisements Part 2. Okay, so again, your articles and advertisement are based on one of these things that you choose. All right, and again, step 2, you're going to talk about the advertisements. And then step 3, you're going to record, let's bring up this graphic organizer part 1. All right. And the article you're going to copy and paste here. All right. The URL. All right. And then the central idea. What is the main idea? You've already done that. Okay. So what is the article in your own words trying to tell us? All right. So you're going to do that there. And then you're going to, in the second graphic organizer, put your advertisements. So let's take a look and see what that says. All right. So what does the ad seem to say about gender? All right. Male, female, what have you. All right. About race or ethnicity, social status, and what seems effective or ineffective about the ad. All right. And then again, you just have space to put all of those there. Okay. Because again, you're looking for multiple ones. All right. And let's scroll down. And so you will submit research graphic organizer parts 1 and part 2. Okay. So that might be 2 links to Google Docs or Microsoft Word, whatever. Again, if you are using Google Docs, make sure you share permission so I don't have to put in that 0 and then you have to resubmit. Again, if you go to print, it'll actually save to your Google Drive, and you can get those. You can click on the graphic organizers and click print. All right, and then that'll give you the things that you need there. Okay. All right, let's look at the rubric real quick. All right, so we're going for mastery. You have written a well-crafted response, identifying the effectiveness and ethics. All right, you have title, date, URL, and 5 articles in Graphic Organizer 1, and 5 ads in Graphic Organizer 2. So the ads are going with the articles, all right? You have explained a central idea in excellent detail. And again, this is asking you to do this in complete sentences. All right. And this is just asking that you have, again, answered everything on the graphic organizer. All right. So once you are finished that, you have 2 graphic organizers with links to submit. So again, you'll go to the one that has the writing on it, click submission, and then submit my work. And that is assignment 2.04.